Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deposit money on SoFi Investing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. Now if you have been wanting to deposit money on a SoFi, what you gotta do is simply gonna go ahead first access it. You can go ahead get the official website, or you can go ahead get your app as well. Then log in if you got the app. If you got the account already set up, if you haven't, then tap on get started. Again, once you're signed up, you're going to go to the deposit icon section. You're going to enter the amount, the check amount if you have a check amount, and choose the account to deposit into. Now take a photo of the front and back of your particular check, submit the deposit, and funds typically become available within 1 to 5 business days according to the SoFi Investing itself, so make sure to check within that time. Next is cash deposit at participating retailers. So what you have to do is you have to find the place that SoFi has partnered with, which allows cash deposit to participate in retailers using your SoFi Money MasterCard debit card. Make sure you do have the debit card itself. Again, log into your SoFi Money account and select more and then tap on deposit cash. Then find a participating retailer and inform the cashier you want to deposit cash using green dot and your SoFi Money MasterCard. Then provide the amount, hand over the cash, and swipe your card. You're good to go. It might charge a fee, so you might have to be aware of that. That is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.